So this is I'm going to be showing the new mountain update in Animal Company. So do is you go over here and you're going to see these new items. I have the 6-7 snowboard unlocked. And you're going to want to go this way. I'll see this little portal and you grab onto this just like you do in mines, and you see this big new mountain area. So there's the snowboards here and there's the skis here. I'll show you how both of them work. What you're going to do is you're going to want to grab the edge of this and push yourself, and then you can just snowboard down the slope, and there's nuts and a couple declines there, and these blue banners will give you a speed boost and some nuts. These will launch you, and if you're under the snow, just to show you, these are big speed boosts. You're gonna want to try and get onto this. It's meant to be hard to do, but yeah, I need more speed. But there's some over here that are really easy to get. That way is a vault that is not openable. That is openable, but I will show you how to get into there in the next video. So that was what the big speed boosts do. And then this is the last downward slope here, and then you're gonna want to head towards the right this way and down to there so that you can see your time. And yeah, your time is right here. And you could put these snowboards on your back too. And I got 1:22 seconds and 98 milliseconds, not my best, but it's not bad for recording. So you can also put goop on these and make better snowboards and skis. I'm going to grab a ski shoe and a flashlight. I'm just gonna show you how to get the mountain key for the vault right now. So you want to stay on the left side, and you will see, once you see the first portal on the left side, that portal takes you back to the beginning, and you're going to want to turn left at that portal up here, that tree right there, and that portal is right next to the tree. You're going to want to turn left there, right here, left. And I'm gonna go to the edge over here and just ski right down. And there are monsters in this area, and you're going to need to shine the flashlight at them to make them go away so that they don't kill you. So down here, there's this little shed, cabin thing. And you want to ski right in there with your flashlight on. And you see they disappear when you shine your flashlight at them, because they don't like light, because they're dark. It's kind of hard. It's best to do with two people because they could be behind you. And if they are behind you, they will kill you. And then in here, once you get in here, you'll see the mountain key, and it plays the peak lobby music. That actually hurt. Oh, I died. See, these monsters are very dangerous. But I can easily get back there because I was almost at the entrance. These lights will actually block your path, so you need to be careful. Trust me guys, I'm not a noob at this game. Could have used a rocket there. It's best if you want to, you can use goop and put a heart gun at the end of your snowboard so that you go a lot faster. And you can just spam the heart gun going down the slope and make you easily get down there in a few seconds. Maybe single digits if you're good at that. I'm going back down here and I'll show you what's in the vault. If you don't want it to be spoiled, you can just skip this video. And so you'll see right here. You'll see he's got it. So over here, you're gonna want to go in here, and it's gonna send you up here, and you're gonna want to go. I'm pretty sure down here, yeah. Put the key on your back because you can, and you just want to go down here, and once you see the two trails of trails where it's nuts, then you're gonna want to go to the right trails here. So you're gonna want to go that way. And once you go that way and see the vault, you're gonna have to do a little bit of climbing, but you could just bring a hoverboard if you need to. See this big vault, you're gonna want to take this off of your back and put this on your back. And I'm right-handed, so I can also put it in your floor. I didn't know that. I'm gonna grab my right hand and just use some leverage to get up here. Oh, this vault was weird and slanted, so sometimes hard to get up here. But once you're onto this, it should be pretty easy the rest of the way. And we're just gonna go up this way. I don't like how hard it is to get up here sometimes. I'll leave my snowboard down there. It's a lot easier to do with your hands free. You're just gonna want to get to the bottom before you get crushed. I don't think you're gonna get crushed. I just don't want to risk it. I don't know where my snowboard went. Oh, there it is. Got scared there for a second. So you're gonna see down here, this is the new area. That black stuff, I'm just gonna show you here. This black stuff down here is just it's not gonna get rid of your items. It's gonna send you right back. So if you don't want to fall in there, but it doesn't really matter if you do. So since this area is not really finished yet, I don't think that it's really necessary again. But I haven't gotten it yet. This jump is just hard to do. But yeah, it's a very strange obstacle course for the new snow update. So, and if you're playing in the Brook AF mode, it's gonna be really good to get all of these nuts because they will really help. I guess I'm kind of broke, but don't make fun of me. So, the reason this is a very almost impossible jump. But yeah, see, it's like, but yeah, tis the ski slope mountain update.